Esther and welcome to Minden's. Minden's are nutritious, delicious meals that you can make in minutes using 5 ingredients or less. And let's get started with today's Minden. Today we're making more portobello mushrooms, and I call them more because a friend of mine takes every recipe I make and turns it into a vegetarian delight, and her last name is Moore. So this one is for you, and this one's already vegetarian, so you're not going to have to do anything to it. What I did was I already started cooking my mushrooms because it only takes about 2 minutes to have them all browned up and ready for you. And since I like to make everything in the same pan, I went ahead and cooked these first so that we can cook the mushrooms right in here too. We're all about the quick meal, so we want the cleanup to be quick and easy for you as well. So I will take them from here and just get them ready and put them on our platter. This will make 4 stuffed mushrooms. They are delicious, and each one comes in at under 80 calories. You can't beat that. I ate one and was stuffed, and you can obviously serve it as a side dish or eat a couple and have it as your dinner. While you cook the portobello mushrooms, all you have to do is these zucchinis are already spiraled, so you don't have to use your spiralizer. You steam them right here in this bag, so these are good to go. So while you're cooking your mushrooms for 3 minutes, steam these in the bag for 3 minutes. Then all you have to do is take your mushrooms. We're going to just put them right in here. I'm going to use about a half a carton of mushrooms, a little more, and brown these up. And while these brown up, I'll spray them with a little bit more olive oil, and I'll tell you how this recipe got created. When I go shopping, sometimes I'll see a new item, and that's how my recipes will get created. And this was the new item in today's recipe. It's a truffle Alfredo sauce. And even though we're using Alfredo in this, it's only less than 1/4 cup, and that's really all you need with anything that's truffle, because the flavor is so strong that a little bit goes a long way, and the calorie count will stay low because of the little amount that you're using. There's truffle butter out now, truffle cheese out now, and now this wonderful truffle Alfredo sauce. So get it while you can because it is a seasonal item. So maybe make this Monday with me, which is today. So while these are simmering up, we're gonna take our zucchini that's already cooked, and we're just gonna kind of heat them up together because we're gonna put the sauce right in here. I'm a little of this and a little of that, so I really don't measure, but I kind of eye it, and I know that that is about 1/4 cup. And you will have more to use on chicken. Make a truffle pizza and use that as your base. Throw on some mushrooms. So you'll get a lot of use out of this sauce. And then we're just going to heat this all through until your mushrooms are cooked through, and then we're going to sprinkle it with Parmesan cheese. And stay tuned to our Instagram where we will show you a finished picture of the product. You can catch us on YouTube every Monday. We post our shopping list on Saturdays on our website, which is www.mindens.com. So you can purchase your items on Saturday, cook along with me on Monday. Everything is so quick and easy, it only takes a couple minutes. You will have little cleanup time, and you will thank me for it. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next week.